when you want to bake something, okay, I'm at Costco. I want to show you what's good, what's bad, what causes problem. Never bake with this aluminum, okay? I wouldn't. Not after what I found out. And I wouldn't use a plastic foot wrap. Notice the instruction. Whether you put it in the microwave or oven, right? 它里面有写的 is that leave 1 inch between this and the foot. Though don't touch the foot, but it's very hard. When you put it in there, right? I mean, it moves. All you need is just a little contact. So don't take that chance, okay? Instead, 因为里面这个 aluminum 啊，很危险的。Now you try to burn it near a fire, you smell horrible smell. You know, it's you want to have Alzheimer or something, right? Instead, I would use this, and this is, I think, safer. Okay, and you can use this for baking, microwave, and you can. The temperature is 425 degrees. That is for the oven. And you can also, anyway, I read the instruction earlier, okay? This will be a safer material to use. Okay. And I believe, see, it looks like that. All right. Anyway, take it for whatever it's worth, okay? I'm trying to help caution people. Also seen a lot of people, and I used to do it. You wrap this plastic, right, around the food and put it in the refrigerator. As much as possible, try not to use this kind of material. Plastic, it causes potentially cancer, okay, because of the chemical thing. Now, also, 我也看过中国人, Chinese, sometimes they put aluminum foil around the stove, you know, so kind of to protect it from dripping from the food and soup boiling over and all that. I wouldn't, because the flame is going to touch this invariably. It would touch it and it smells horrible, and you know why? 因为科学作用 reaction.